Hi friends, good afternoon everyone. My name is Advaita. I am studying in 9th class. Today I want to tell about Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an Indian American astronaut. She was born in 17th March 1962 at Karnal in Punjab in India. She completed aeronautical engineering in Punjab University. She pursued a PhD in aerospace engineering in the University of Colorado in 1988. She joined NASA in 1988. She started her first space mission in the November 19th to 1997. When she got her second space mission in 2001, she was died on February 1st, 2003 while she was on a space mission. Thank you.